to.
Go na. Hi, I'm...
Huwag ka
Sige na.
Yung mga
Yan na ba?
anime, mga tao.
Yan na ba?
Oo.
Hi, we're on the Great Western Beach, one of the 7 wonders of Cornwall. And right now, we're showing you the view. We're showing you the view of the waves and all the surfers right there. And I'm the 8th wonder of Cornwall, actually, right now. I'm living here now. So, what else can you see? Beautiful sand right there. If you count.
Ay! Teka.
And,
I love you.
I love you, honey. And that's me, Reynard Fayad, reporting for BBC, and I love you, honey. Hindi pa rin tapos ang video. So
Tapos
I'm
na.
still gonna carry on. Hindi pa, ano pa eh.
Ano? Umiilaw?
Ayan. So, wala na akong masabi. Sige lang, honey, habulan tayo. Dali, diyan lang. Easy po. At, honey, nagulat ako. Honey, alam mo ba? Did you know that here in Cornwall, ladies and gentlemen, you can ride at the seahorses, ladies and gentlemen. Seahorses right here is really big, as big as my honey right there. And we actually rode that one seahorse a while ago, and it's really...
Bakit ka man nagmamadali?
Oh, we've been to Coral Reef Aquarium, and it's really, really good. Really sweet. And the zoo, my honey enjoyed the zoo because the penguins right there. The penguins there, well, they've got some similarities. They've got the cap of smoke. Look at the wave, honey! It's beautiful, look at that. Tapos na ba?
Hindi pa. Yung dalawa. Ay, umiilaw.
Oo. Niloloko mo.
Ano yung picture? Hindi ba? Picture yun.
Gian. Nakita nyo na, ilunggo. Marayo pa, I love you.
Ang gulo na nito. Because of you.
Because of